Hello friends, you're welcome to my complete Java course. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn literals in Java. So let's start today's video lecture. Literals in Java. What is literals? Literals are number, text or anything that represent a value. In other words, literals in Java are the constant values assigned to the variable. It is also called a constant. For example, int x equal to 100. So 100 is the literal. There are 5 types of literals can be seen in Java. Here you can see integral literal, floating point literal, char literal, string literal and boolean literals. Integral literals in Java. Number 1. Integral literals in Java. We can specify the integer literals in 4 different ways. Number 1. Decimal. It means base 10. Digits from 0 to 9 are allowed in this form, like integer 101. 101. Okay. Octal. It means base 8. Base 8. We can define the integer literal in base 8. In the base 8, digits from 0 to 7 are allowed. It should always have a prefix 0. Example, int x equal to 0146. This is a literal in base 8. Number 3, hexadecimal base 16. In this, digit 0 to 9 are allowed and also characters from small a to small f are allowed in this form. Furthermore, both uppercase and lowercase character can be used. Like if you want to represent a literal in base 16, you can define the literal in this way. Int x equal to 0x123, then you can use any letter from A to F. Binary. A literal in this type should have a prefix 0b and 0b from 1.7 version of Java. One can also specify in binary literal, i.e. 0 and 1. So in the from the Java 1.7 we can define literal in the form of binary, but in the binary form we should use the prefix 0b. After that we can define the binary number. So here you can see the example, like int decimal value we have defined 123, decimal form literal, octal form literal, this is the hexadecimal form literal, and this is the binary literal. If you will print that value, then you will get 123 because this is the base 10 literal. The value of this is 640 because it is in base 8. Here we have defined the base 8, but if you convert this base 8 data into the base 10, you will get the 640. This is defined in the base 16. If you convert this base 16 into the base 10, you will get the 2766. And this is the binary representation. Binary literal, the value of this binary literal is 5. Next one is floating point literals in Java. Here data type can be specified in decimal form and not in octal or hexadecimal form. Every floating type is a double type and this the reason why we cannot assign it directly to float variable. To escape this situation, we use small f or capital F as a suffix, and for double we use small d or we can use capital D. Like decimal value is 101.230, double value we have defined 1. This is a decimal form literal. It also acts as a decimal literal, and this is the form of double hexadecimal form. If you print this value, then you will get the output this. Char literals in Java. These are four types of char literals. Java char literals: single quote, char literals, escape sequence, and Unicode representation. Single quote: Java literal can be specified to a character data type as a single character within a single quote. Example: character ch equal to a within a single quote. Number 2, character as integral. A char literal in Java can specify as integral literal, which also represent the Unicode value of a character. Furthermore, an integer can specify in decimal, octal, and even hexadecimal type, but the range is 0 to 65535. If you define a character ch equal to 062, then the ASCII value of 62, whatever the ASCII value of 062, it will assign to the character literal. Number 3 is Unicode representation. Char literals can be specified in Unicode representation, like /u then 4 times x. Here x represent 4 hexadecimal numbers. Character ch equal to /u 0061. Here u 0061 represent a. Okay. The next one is escape sequence. Escape sequence can also specify as character literal, like character ch equal to /n. So here is the example. You can define the character literals and the output you will get this. Now we will discuss about the string literals in Java. String literals, Java string literals are any sequence of characters with a double quote, like string s equal to hello. So this is the example of string literal. Here we have defined a my string variable with the value hello welcome to data flare. So this is the string literal. Now the Boolean literals in Java, they allow only two values I, that is true and false. Boolean b equal to true. So you can define a Boolean literal with the two value either true or either false. So friend, thank you for watching this video lecture. In this video lecture we have learned what is the literal in Java and how to define the literals in Java. So basically literal is the constant value which we assign to the variable. That is the literal. So friend, thank you for watching this video lecture and watch my next video for learning new things in Java.